Hi guys, welcome back to SparkyFace5. First of all, I'd just like to really thank you guys for your support lately on social media. It's meant the whole world to me this week. You can't even imagine how much that just raised my spirits, so thank you.
Okay, so the model that I'm doing today is by BunnyFuzz on Thingiverse. So it's Pokemon coaster set. That's what I'm doing today. Actually, just the one. I'm doing the Bulbasaur today. And these are a great design. I can't wait to print the rest out. They've been designed specifically so if you want to do multiple layers in different colours, you can.